Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by locking the focus, brand, blog, or product, because the domain must reflect purpose. Next, gather 5 to 10 keywords and 2 audience personas to guide tone and search intent. This narrows choices quickly. Once done, filter for 6 14-character roots to stay memorable and mobile-friendly. Make sure to avoid ambiguous spelling and hyphens at this stage. They lower recall and typing speed, so eliminate weak options before moving to availability checks. You perform rapid availability checks across registrars for COM and 2 other extensions like NET or EO to cover options. Simultaneously generate 10 name variants, prefixes, suffixes, abbreviations, and phonetic swaps, so you have backups that preserve brand intent. Once done, verify trademarks and social media handles to prevent legal clashes and brand fragmentation. Make sure to check 3 competitor domains for confusion risk. If conflicts appear, iterate. You pick the best fit name by balancing clarity, length, and availability. Prioritize. COM if brand safe and memorable, otherwise pick a strong alternative. After selection, register for 2 or more years, enable Whois privacy, and set auto-renew to avoid accidental loss. Once registered, configure DNS, enable HTTPS, and set up canonical redirects to protect SEO. If something goes wrong, a key troubleshooting tip: check propagation and cached DNS. Clear local DNS and wait up to 48 hours before reconfiguring settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.